Welcome back to Graphx Academy. Today, we're going to learn exactly how to create a stylized film noir look right inside Adobe Premiere Pro. First, we're going to create a stylized, modern film noir look. To kick things off, I'll show you how to perform a perfect color match using a reference scene. We'll take our footage, place it side by side with the reference clip, and then head over to the Color Wheels and Match section to click on Comparison View. Now let's click on Apply Match. To be honest, Premiere automatically does a pretty great job right out of the gate, but we always want to jump in and refine it. We're going to tweak things slightly inside the basic correction panel, adjusting the temperature, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. After that, we'll jump into the Curves panel and tweak the white Luma curve to bring out the absolute best lighting and contrast for our footage. And here is our final colorized result. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing, but this time we'll create a classic black and white film noir version. Let's head over to the Effects panel, look for the Monochrome Punch Lumetri preset, and drag it right onto our video. After that, we'll jump into Basic Correction and hit Auto to get a clean baseline, and then we'll head into the RGB Curves panel to manually fine-tune the lighting. And that's it. Here is your stylized black and white result. Now, we're going to do something really fun with our two clips. With both versions stacked on our timeline, we'll place the black and white clip on the bottom track and layer the colorized clip directly on top. What we're going to do next is blend these two unique styles together into one single dynamic shot. What we're going to do is make a cut in our footage to have one section in full color and the other section in black and white. Then, we'll seamlessly connect them by adding a transition. To do this, we'll be using the Film Impact dashboard. And there you have it, a super simple technique that looks absolutely incredible. Now, let's step things up a bit with a slightly more advanced challenge, creating custom masks. Next, grab the Object Selection tool and select our subject. Take a moment to clean up the edges and deselect any unwanted areas we don't need. Once that's set, head over to the Effect Controls panel and track the mask forward. This automatically masks the opacity, hiding the color background. Since we have our black and white clip layered underneath, it creates a striking effect where only our subject remains in color. To blend it smoothly, let's slightly increase the mask feather. Finally, we'll animate the mask expansion to gradually reveal the color across the rest of the frame. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. And there you have it. Check out this amazing final result. But wait, we're not done yet. You can keep leveling up your skills with our From Zero to Expert courses at Graphx Academy. This is where you'll go from a beginner to a pro editor in no time. Plus, our courses are Adobe certified, so you're getting industry-recognized training. Head over to the link in the description and start your journey today.